So as you just seen me, just trimming these welds down, making them smooth. Not 100% sure if I should be doing it this way or not. If anyone has any recommendations before I do it, we'll see. I'm just gonna throw in a whole nother bead of weld over that, and then again, I'm not sure. I'm either gonna put pieces of metal, like one here, maybe two here, maybe one on the bottom. I'm gonna have to see what the clearance is between the bed and the frame, if it has room for a piece of metal there. We'll see. Then you saw me cleaning these tubes up. I got the cross member cleaned up. It's really coming together. Sat there and used a wire brush grinder, wire brush on the grinder, and cleaned this all up. Really happy with it. So I'm gonna weld this up, POR 15 it, get my shock mounts situated, get that gas tank hung, and we get to move on to the bed. It's going to be fun. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing these back rims very soon. I'm going to be sanding them down. I'll show you what I did to get them almost looking brand new. Putting the tiny piece of frame that I had a hole in. I'm gonna try to cut this out. See if it fits. Let's give it a shot, guys. Alright, let's see, guys. I think that's going to look good. Weld that in. I'm happy with it. Alright, so I'm going to end this video out here. I welded this cross member in and got this one tacked in. Start of the next video, I'll probably time lapse myself running over these. And other than that, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya!